I'll tell you an interesting story from Greek mythology today. Have you ever heard of Pandora's box? This is my most favorite story from Greek mythology. So according to ancient Greece, there were two Titan brothers, Prometheus and Epimetheus. Prometheus created all living creatures like animals, birds, humans, but the human race that he created only consisted of males. And Zeus, the king of all gods, tells Epimetheus to give every creature that was created a special gift which will help them survive, like wings, speed, strength, etc. Then Epimetheus started to give out all these qualities starting from animals, birds, and by the time he reaches humans, he realizes that he has used up all the qualities and he has nothing left to give the humankind. This is when his brother Prometheus steps up to help the humankind, and he steals fire from Mount Olympus and he gives to the human race, which gives them knowledge, power, and skill. But this made Zeus, the king of all gods, very angry because according to him, fire was only meant for gods, not humans. So Zeus decides to punish both the brothers and he orders the god of craftsmanship, that's him. I don't want to say his name wrong, so I'm not saying. He orders this god to create a woman who's the first woman of humankind, and he names her Pandora, which means all gifted, because every single Greek god gifted her with a quality like beauty, intelligence, charm, curiosity, and many more. By this time, Prometheus was in hiding. So Zeus decides to send Pandora down to the earth to Epimetheus. Epimetheus falls in love with Pandora and he makes her his wife. During their wedding, Zeus gifts Pandora a box as a wedding present. But Prometheus warns Epimetheus to not accept any gifts from any god, because that could be a trick. But Epimetheus ignores it and he doesn't stop Pandora from accepting the gift from Zeus. When giving the box to Pandora, Zeus warns her to never open the box. But Pandora was very curious by nature, because remember, she was given the gift of curiosity, and she ignores Zeus's warning and she opens the box. As soon as she opens the box, all the evils that were trapped inside the box by Zeus, like grief, jealousy, greed, death, all of the evils start to come out of the box. When this happens, Pandora panics and she immediately shuts the box. But it was too late. The damage was already done and all the evils have come out to the human world. But there was still one thing left in the box. Later, Pandora slowly opens the box only to find the last remaining thing in the box was hope. You know how we say the last thing remaining is hope? That came from this story. So when Pandora opens this box, hope slowly climbs out of the box and he comes into the human world.